Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. So we have our account set up and we can create our new flow. So let's head over to our dashboard, click on New Project, select Flow, and give our flow a name. And there we are. We are greeted with the flow interface. Now, if you've used any workflow software in the past, you will feel right at home, but let me show you around a bit. Firstly, on the top left, we have these two menus. Help will lead to some documentation and support. And under Project, we can go ahead and create a new one, open an existing one, delete this one, or duplicate it. If we click on Settings, we're actually led to the same menu we can access by clicking this gear here on the left, where we can control the project name and some additional settings which we will cover during this course. Over in the top right, you can choose to save your flow, and once your flow is complete, you can go ahead and publish it. Now let's go ahead and start actually adding nodes. So any flow always starts from the start node. No matter where it's triggered from, this will always be the first entry point for the flow. So from here, we can click on the little plus icon to start browsing nodes and adding them. I'm going to just add a condition node here and won't configure it for now. And over here, you can see we have our new node on the project. Now the condition node can actually branch out because we have a rule and we also have an else factor. So we can actually branch out our flow into different branches over here. If we don't want one of these nodes, we can go ahead and delete it and create new connections. So now you can start using all of these and constructing your first flow. And that's how it's done.